Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late.
Guys, today I'm bringing you guys this beautiful night smoky eye look. I hope you guys enjoy it with a little bit of gold in the inner corners and some nice like dramatic eyelashes. I haven't done one of these in a long time. Figured I will show you guys how I created this look. And also, if you are new to my channel, my name is Jadi and welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell next to it so you do not forget when I upload a video. So yeah guys, thank you to all those that keep continue to subscribe and are showing me so much love. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. I'm so thankful. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. So let's go. Okay guys, so here as usual I go in with my e.l.f. satin finish concealer. I love this concealer. It's so amazing. It's legit my favorite concealer. So yeah guys, I just basically put this, I use this as a base for my eyeshadow. I think it works amazing. My shadow goes on nicely and smoothly and applies, and I'm just using this e.l.f. brush that helps me kind of like spread it out and all that good stuff. So yeah, so that's what I do. And then after this, what I'm going to use to set my lid is my Fit Me powder. I really been liking this powder. At first, when I first started using it, I was like, I don't know about this powder. It feels kind of, I don't know, I felt like it was too light, or maybe I wasn't applying it or using it correctly. But then I started using it to set my under eyes and my lids, and it's amazing. I really love this powder because you know me, I love my Airspun powder. That's one of my favorite holy grails. It's amazing. But yeah, but I love that one. The Fit Me is actually pretty good as well. And it's affordable. You know, all these products that I'm using are all affordable. So now I'm just going to grab a nice light brown kind of color, and I'm just going to apply that into the crease and basically using this brush to buff it in. I just wanted to use the brown as a transition before going in with black, because you know black to me is very difficult color to blend because it's very pigmented. Sometimes it could have a lot of fallout, and I already did my makeup as you see. So I just go in first with a brown shade, and then I start getting this tiny little pencil brush and start applying like a dark brown in the outer crease, the outer V, just to kind of bring it up and start building it in a little bit, like where I really want to place that black shadow. I feel like I find that this is easier for me just so it doesn't get messed up, and I don't want the black to go a little bit too high. I just want it perfect, to be in the perfect position. So I try to do that as well. Then I grab this other e.l.f. fluffy brush and I start kind of like blending that in just so it can have no harsh lines, and really just blend it, making sure that everything is nice and seamless, guys. You do not want to see any harsh lines or anything like that. Here I'm grabbing this Sona Kashuk, and I'm start adding that black, and I'm adding the black little by little. And what I like about this black, it's because it has a little gold shimmers in it, so it looks nice, and you know, it's not just a plain black. So then I start applying that and putting it all over my lid. And then little by little, I just literally start really building that black shadow up. So you're going to see that I just continue to really blend and really smooth everything out to make sure everything is nice and seamless, and just keep packing the black on with any, you know, use different brushes and just keep adding it and applying it, and it'll come out perfect. And then at the end, you just blend it out to make it look nice and smoothly. So that's what I'm going to continue to do. So just buff, guys. Make sure to buff.